Taking care of yourself is very essential. It is very essential in creating the new version of yourself, in becoming the best version of yourself. You need to take care of yourself. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christopher, and today I'm going to be sharing with you something that I consider very important. Like, it is very important to every one of us. It is important to me as well as you. So it is nothing but self-care. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you practical and simple yet very powerful tips that you can incorporate in your daily routine to help you boost your mood. It's going to help you boost your lifestyle. It's going to change your lifestyle and help you live a happier and healthier life.
It's Christopher Nukoka.
Hydrate and nourish your body. Like, let us talk about the importance of hydrating and nourishing the body. Like, drinking enough water and eating a healthy balanced diet can make a huge difference. I cannot overemphasize on this. Like, you need to take at least 8 cups of water daily. Try, because our bodies are made up of at least like 60% of water. That's what our bodies are made up of. So you should try. I know it's not easy. Sometimes you can have a busy schedule. Like, you could be intentional about it. Set up an alarm to take water. It is very important. Water is very important. Leave them pizzas alone. Leave them pizzas alone. Incorporate into your daily meal, like your daily eating. Incorporate things like fruits, veggies, whole grains, all those healthy food. In turn, you're going to see the way your body will look. Your body will look very healthy, and your body looking healthy would automatically boost your mood. It can boost your confidence, leaving you feeling happy and fulfilled. So please try. Let's try to drink water all the way. I told you it's simple. It's gonna be simple tips in this video. No one can tell me they don't have water, you don't have access to water. You're gonna be lying, and I'm gonna. Anyways, let's try to drink water. That's all I can say. That's my first top tip. Take enough water, hydrate your body, and nourish your body. What you put in your body goes a long way to tell who you are. What you put in your body goes a long way to make you who you are. So first, put in things that you yourself are happy putting into your body. So try putting good things into your body. That's my top tier. Exercise. I know. I know it can be very difficult to motivate yourself. I know it can be very difficult, especially those times you are feeling stressed, you are feeling overwhelmed. Like, going to the gym or exercising is the least thing in your mind. Like, you're not even thinking about it. But please, exercises are important. They are very helpful. Like, exercises releases exercises releases endorphins, which are, I always say, these endorphins are responsible for boosting our energy level. They boost your mood, like they increase your energy, and then they reduce the symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression. So just try, look for an activity you enjoy doing. It doesn't have to be too difficult activity. You don't even need to go to the gym. Let's start from there. You don't need to go to the gym. You don't need to like start up a membership in the gym. You can decide to do a yoga in your house. You can decide to take a walk. You don't pay for it. Just take a walk on the street. Like, just all I'm trying to say is be active. Just keep moving, doing something you love, something you enjoy. Is it swimming? Is it yoga? Is it hiking? Is it taking a walk? Just do it. Anything, exercise, anything that keeps your body moving and active. Just keep doing it. So let's talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness is being present in the moment. That is mindfulness. Forgetting about stress and anxiety, like leaving stress and anxiety behind and being present in the moment. I know it sounds like it's easier said than done. It sounds easy in the mouth, but in action it could be very difficult. Like a lot of people will be saying, how do I start, how do I get started? Yes, there are simple techniques you can use to get started. You can try incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine. Like you can start maybe few minutes of deep breathing, we can say meditation, and so on and so forth. Focusing on your senses, like taking time to meditate, sit down and practice deep breathing. And that's just the little way you can incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, and trust me, it's going to help you. Sleep. Sleep is very important for our physical and mental health. It is very important. I cannot overemphasize the need to take enough sleep. I mean, when you don't take enough sleep, you end up feeling grumpy, you end up feeling tired, you end up feeling unfocused. You can't even achieve something you ordinarily achieve. Like even when you go to your daily routine, your to-do list for that day, you can't even achieve it. I can remember one time when I was deprived of sleep, not by choice, by force, yeah, but let's not even go into details. Well, I was feeling very sad, I was feeling down, I couldn't be productive, I was having a lot of unproductive days, like those days when I am deprived of sleep, that I'm kept awake, I am forced to stay awake over the night, because I'm someone who sleeps at night and then I'm unable to sleep during the day. So when I'm being forced to stay awake during the night, I end up having like unproductive day. Like I can't even focus on anything. I would just, in fact, I don't know what I wouldn't even know what I would be doing at that point. So let's leave me by our side. Like let's try to focus on having enough sleep. Like aim to have about 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Like try to sleep, and then you should set up a nighttime routine to help you wind down, because most times a lot of us, when we are going to bed, we just pick up our phones. Try to keep your phone aside. Get a nighttime routine. Like could it be like soaking yourself in a bath to help you relax, or listening to music to help you relax and then you sleep? Just try get a routine, something you do you enjoy. Like maybe it's like meditating, doing anything you enjoy basically before going to bed. Like that's like a routine, something you enjoy, like things you do that would help you, that would relax your body and then put you to sleep faster. Just try to incorporate those things on those days when you're feeling when you're finding it difficult to sleep. Let's talk about the importance of meeting people, of connecting with others. It is very important to connect with others, be it family members, friends, or a romantic partner, anyone. You should try to connect with people. Don't isolate yourself too much, because when you keep isolating yourself, you start feeling depressed, you start feeling sad when you don't have someone you're talking to, when you don't have someone you're sharing your feelings with. So you should try to go out. Even if you just move to a new city, you move to a new country, try to go out, go to events, go to places where you can meet people, places that things of your interest are done, like hobbies, like things you enjoy doing. Is it maybe you enjoy going to the gym? You can go to the gym and then you make friends from the gym, you meet new people. You don't have to make all of them your friends, you can meet them, communicate with people. Make communicating with people can elevate your mood. It can just boost your mood, boost your energy talking to people. So try to meet new people. Don't stay indoors, don't isolate yourself. There are thousands of people in the world, there are millions of people, there are a lot of people in the world you've not met. Why limit yourself? Why are you staying in the four corners of your house? Why limit yourself into the few persons you've met when you can meet a whole lot of people? So pick up your bag, get out of the house, go to that place you think you're going to meet someone, and go meet new people, make new friends. That's it for today, and I hope you found these simple self-care tips helpful. And remember, taking care of yourself, self-care is not selfish, it is essential for you becoming the best version of yourself. So if you've watched this video to this point and this video has been helpful to you, why don't you consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and be part of this great family? Consider sharing this video and liking this video. Share it to people that you consider or think would be beneficial to, and try to subscribe, turn on your notification icon to get more content like this. Bye, see you in our next video.